without wasting time, without taking so long, many people like you and me have been wondering why would the son of the president or the first son of the country, CDF General Colonel Gaba Muhoozi, would say he would remove the Anti-Homosexuality Act, despite many Ugandans supporting the act. Well, he has revealed the reason in another post, which could indicate something. But first of all, let me take you to the post. The post reads, I was in Japan recently, and people asked me why we are persecuting homosexuals. I was totally shocked and very hurt. Japanese are warriors like us. I respect them very much. I asked them how we are oppressing them. Then they told me about the AHA, that is Anti-Homosexuality Act. Compatriots, let's get rid of that small law. Our friends around the world are misunderstanding us. So, Muhoozi is saying that a number of people around the world are misunderstanding the Ugandans, are misunderstanding the Ugandans on this law. But I think this can indicate maybe an external pressure by the superpowers pressurizing the CDF to maybe pressurizing the Ugandan government to abolish this law, which they term it as something that oppresses the people. Also, on the other hand, let me take you to the reply of someone who we may call babysitter of Muhoozi, that is Honorable Dr. Balaam Barihanga. He said, I may agree with you, painfully Supreme Leader. He calls Muhoozi Supreme Leader. However, my call for fellow parents and citizens, it's our duty and responsibility to teach our children good morals and Christian values of man for woman and woman for man. In Uganda, we have the law in place, but the verse is just mushrooming. Secondly, some of us take our children in countries with no LGBT restrictions, as playing double standards. Apart from tarnishing our image internationally, the Anti-Homosexuality Act, or AHA, has created misunderstandings and isolation to our friendly country. Repealing this law would be a significant step towards promoting human rights, inclusivity and compassion. Let's create a more welcoming and accepting society for all Ugandans and visitors, regardless of their sexual orientation. But fellow Ugandan parents and citizens, let's teach our children good morals and Christian values. Many projects lost funding due to the law. Oh, the last part got me laughing, that many projects lost funding due to the law. So I think it is now a serious thing. It is not just what we may think the Muhoozi kind of tweet. It is a serious thing. When you see Balaam has shown support already and praising it, it indicates that this thing is serious and is a sign that the law may surely be removed in future. So Ugandans need to start preparing for that. Start preparing your mind for that thing. How you will handle it, how you will readjust your family and your life to it. So